they are asking us to fill in the blanks with was or were. Now, was or were, they are being verbs which we use in past tense. Which tense?
Past tense.
Correct. And the being verbs in present tenses is MR. Okay, so here you're going to use only was or were. So, was is used with singular. Okay, and were is used with plural. So, if it is many in number, you will say were. But if it is only one in number, you will say was.
Was.
Okay. Now let's see the first sentence. Okay. The first sentence says there dash bookshops.
There is bookshops.
Okay. So here what you have to do is there cannot tell you singular or plural, isn't it? Because there is not a person or a place or a thing. Is the word there a person or a place or a thing?
No.
Name no. So we have to go to the next word, which is bookshops. What is the next word?
Bookshop.
Bookshops. Now tell me, bookshops is singular or plural? Is it one shop they're talking about or many shops?
Many.
Many. So which word will you use for many? Or was or were?
There were.
Were, correct. Okay, so there were bookshops across the street. Okay, so
Yes.
now next one you read and tell me what the word is. It is singular or plural?
Yes.
What is the next sentence? Oh my god. It's looking like I'm in first standard and I'm writing on the page, isn't it? Look at my handwriting, how it's coming. Now it still looks like I'm in first standard because I'm not able to write in a straight line over here. Okay. So now in the second sentence, tell me, Aradhya, the children dash far away from home. Now, which is the noun over here? Which is the name given to a person, place, or a thing about which we are going to talk? It is children. Which is the noun? Children. Okay. So now children is one or many?
Many.
Many. So what will you use? Was or were? For many, what do we use?
Were.
Was? Were. Correct. Okay. Now next one. Mahatma Gandhi dash a great leader. Now here whom are we
Is
talking
the.
about?
Is the.
Okay. Now here we have to use only was or were.
Was.
Okay. Was. Correct. Why did you say was and not were?
Mahatma Gandhi was back.
You're correct. Was is the correct answer. But why was? Because Mahatma Gandhi is only one person. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, you know who's Mahatma Gandhi, right? Who's Mahatma Gandhi?
Mm, I don't know.
Okay, Mahatma Gandhi was a freedom fighter who fought for our independence. So he's also known as the father of our nation. What is he known as?
Father of a nation.
Yes, so on the notes, no? Any note you see, there's a picture of one person.
Yes.
Yes, that is Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, so because he's one person, we'll say was. Now, next sentence.
Yes.
The
The
players.
boys were very tired.
Correct. Very good.
I was sick yesterday.
Correct. Now, next is has or have. Okay. Now, has is for whom? Singular or plural? When do we use has? Use has for he, she, it.
He,
Okay.
she, it.
And singular nouns like Aradhya has. Okay. Or the girl or the boy. Singular nouns. Okay. The girl has, the boy has. Okay. The cat has. Any singular noun, you will say has. Okay. For others, you will say have. I have, you have, we have. They have, Aradhya and Anaisha have. Okay. So now let's see the first sentence. How many fingers do you dash?
Have.
Fingers is singular or plural? Fingers is one or many?
Many.
Many. So you have to see the word fingers. Okay, now fingers is many. So we will put have. What
Have.
will we put? Have.
Have.
Okay, because for plural we'll say have. The
Have.
fisherman dash only one fish.
Have.
Now fisherman. Okay, now here no, this is a tricky one. Okay, now here
The
what you have to.
fisherman have.
The fisherman has.
Have.
He's one, no? But if now the spelling, no, it is man. So it is has. Because man is one. Correct? So the fisherman has. But if it was men, then it would be have. So whenever you look at the noun, you have to check the spelling because some plural nouns, they have only one word which is different. Right? Like fisherman is singular, but fishermen would be plural. So because this one is singular, we'll say has. What will we say?
Has.
Now next one you tell me.
The boy.
The boy or the boys? More than one, no?
The boy has.
Is it one boy or many boys? What is the word over here?
The boy has many new. The
Please
boy
see.
has new. The boy has both new pants. Boys.
So here it is boys, correct?
Yes.
So what will you say? The boys have or has?
Has.
Boys. Is it one or is it many?
Many.
So many have, isn't it? The boys have,
Has.
right? Whenever the noun is plural, you will say have.
Have.
Okay, next one.
Alice has new shoes.
Correct. Alice has new shoes. You're right. Because Alice is one girl. Hmm?
She has many pencils in her box.
Correct. She has many pencils in her box.